Hi, my name is Geovanny Peña, and in this video, I will talk about some key concepts from the Cloud Server Administration course, focusing on virtual machines and Active Directory, which is a crucial tool for efficiently managing networks. What is a virtual machine and why it's important? Essentially, a virtual machine is an operating system or application that runs inside a virtual environment on a physical computer. It's like having several independent computers in just one machine. Imagine you have a computer at home, but within that same machine, you can have several smaller computers with different operating systems, each working for different tasks, like having one computer just for gaming, another one just for studying, all in the same machine. This is important because virtual machines allow businesses and users to have multiple operating systems running on a single physical computer. And this saves money and resources, making it easier to test and manage servers without needing additional hardware. Companies use virtual machines to test new software and to maintain older applications that only run on specific versions of operating systems, such as Windows, or to manage multiple servers from a single physical machine. Uh, Now in our class, we installed and configured Windows Server 2022 Data Center on a virtual machine and using Prosmos. And one of the first things we did was promote this server to a domain controller. What is a domain controller? A domain controller is the heart of a network because it allows you to manage all resources and users centrally. After that, we also set up some key server roles, DNS and DHCP. The DHCP, the DNS server translate domain names into IP addresses that allows computers to communicate with each other. The DHCP, on the other hand, automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on the network, making it easier for them to connect. I found that. Think of a network as a city. The DNS is like the map service that translates addresses into coordinates, while DHCP is like a taxi service that assigns a unique spot for every car entering the city so they don't crash into each other. Now let's talk about Active Directory, users and computers. It's one of the most powerful tools that systems administrators have to manage users, computers, and resources in a network. Active Directory allow us to, for example, create and organize users into different organizational units, which we can think of as folders or departments within a company. In Active Directory, we can apply specific policies to each group, control access to files and folders, and ensure information security. Let's imagine a school with hundreds of students and teachers. With Active Directory, we can group all students into one organizational unit and apply different policies that we would for teachers. For instance, we could allow students to access only certain resources while giving teachers full access. If students forget their password, for example, we can easily reset it using Active Directory. Another example would be how Active Directory is used in a school district, where Bowman works as IT in a school district. In my case, I worked as math teacher in Colombia. I hope my example is accurate. Um, in this kind of environment in a school district, Active Directory is not only used to organize students and teachers, but also to control access to resources like printers, computer labs, and even administrative databases. Let's say we want to give all high school students access to the specific educational programs that are not available to younger students. With Active Directory, we can create specific groups based on their grade level, assign permissions, and restrict access to these programs based on their profiles. Uh, Um, Active Directory also allows us to set policies so that computers in the school can only be used during school hours, ensuring the equipment is not misused. So, we have seen how virtual machines and Active Directory are essential keeping a network running smoothly and securely. I hope it has been useful and thank you for watching the video.